Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online using TranscribeMe. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for TranscribeMe and then open the first link. Now all you need to do is to just log in as a freelancer and create an account. So in order to create an account you need to press on sign up, and then you need to input your first name, last name, country, region, email and password, and then you need to check this terms and condition agreement and then press on sign up. After you sign up, they will give you a test for listening to a voice and then writing it. They will want just to test your listening and writing skills and see your accuracy and your test for grammar. After you finish this test and you pass it, you will be having some small projects to work on. Some audios between 1 to 2 minutes. You get paid for each minute, and then by time you will be staging and moving up, and will be having more income from TranscribeMe. It is a very good side hustle to make money online. So all you need to do just to sign up and follow all the instructions they will give you, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.